Hey YouTube, today we are going to review Quest Bar. It's a Quest Bar chocolate peanut butter. It's been available in Indian market. It costs you around 250 bucks, and it's a proper snack that you can have. It is around it's around 20 grams. We'll go to the supplement packs later. And it's a protein bar. It's when you're traveling and you don't have anything to eat, you can carry a protein bar with you, and in the meanwhile you can have this protein bar. It also satisfies your urges for chocolates or something when you're on diet. However, what I found out is it consists something on the label. It says around 3 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of sugar, but what I found out is it consists of 25 grams of total carbohydrates. So if anybody is in low carbs diet, this is 25 grams, so wouldn't be good for that. As far as for taste is concerned, let's check out its taste. Okay, as far as the taste is concerned, we'll just go through the chase. It's pretty much dark chocolate. Protein bar, you can have this before your workout as a pre-workout meal as well. When you're going to hit the gym, just before half an hour or 45 minutes, you can have this. It will give you a good source of carbohydrates and proteins. Let's check out its taste. It's quite sticky, and you gotta chew it a lot. Please don't compare it with normal chocolate. Normal chocolates like Dairy Milk or other chocolates like your Snickers. Please don't compare it to that. It's totally different. It's a protein bar. As you can see, I need to chew it a bit. Trust me, it's not that easy to chew. Okay. As far as taste is concerned, taste is pretty much okay. You gotta chew it a bit. It will actually, you'll be working on your jaw muscles a lot. Trust me, I've had other protein bars as well. Many protein bars face the same issue. They are not easy to chew. Somehow, all protein bars that you use are not easy to chew. You have to chew it a bit. As far as taste is concerned, it's pretty decent. It is pretty much less in calories. It is only 160 calories, what I can see from supplement packs. As you can see, it took me 15 minutes to chew it up. Let's go through the supplement facts. Let's go through the supplement facts for Quest Bar. Quest Bar consists of total fat of 5 grams. It has cholesterol of 5 mg. Sodium is a bit high, that is 240 mg, but that's okay. It's a bar basically, so don't expect it much to be on the lower side of sodium. 200 mg of potassium, and basically the protein content is 20 grams and carbs is 25 grams. So dietary fiber is 17 grams. If anybody is looking for low amount of carbs, say if somebody is on 30 grams of carb per day, so I wouldn't advise them to have this. This is a easy snack what you can have. Let me check its contents and ingredients as well. Its ingredients is protein blend, whey protein isolate, whey protein, milk protein isolate. Then it has probiotic fiber, peanuts, water, cocoa, sea salt, stevia. Stevia is a sweetener with low calorie, and it also contains peanut and milk derived ingredients. So that's it from our Quest side. This for the Quest bar, peanut butter Quest bar, chocolate peanut butter. As far as the effects are concerned, it's not that filling on the stomach. However, I found the different meal replacements, different protein bars, you can say, and it's little tasty as well from the other protein bars that I have tried. That is your Lean Body, then your OEA protein bar, or Max Protein, or different kind of protein bars. It's new. The Quest bar, what's it gonna be? A thumbs up or a thumbs down? What I would say is, I wouldn't give it a thumbs down as per se. Being in a protein bar category, I would always give it a thumbs up for the content that it has. But if you ask me, I don't prefer protein bars as such. I always prefer my protein shake. Usually these protein bars which are imported to India are usually old, or we don't know what is there in your protein bars. There are lots of controversies over that. But if you're asking me, and with respect to protein bars, Quest bar is always a thumbs up. Thank you.